To change icon colors on the Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, we're gonna go to Settings. Now over here in Settings, scroll down and search for Wallpaper and Style. Now in here, we should be able to find the color palette option. So we're gonna go here. You need to turn on the color palette, and then also you can apply the palette to app icons. Once you have these options enabled and you apply these changes, then you can set up a color into the app icons. But before we apply, keep in mind that you can also choose a different color palette over here. You can also switch to basic colors in order to set up something from here. So let's say I'm gonna choose this bubblegum pink, I guess, color, and let's apply it. And once it is set up, if you go to the home screen, you will notice that many app icons have changed the color. Unfortunately, not every icon is actually changed, so you will probably see some apps that unfortunately do not support this change. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.